Hello fellow students, this is your first video tutorial with me in my Word Office 2016 Gear Up course. I hope it would be fun and beneficial for all of you. The outcomes of this tutorial is to make you, to give you an overview that makes you familiar with Word Office interface. First, I will introduce you to this left top box which is called Fast Access Toolbar. I think you can figure out its function from its name, which is to make commands or tools from your choice fastly accessible. Like for an example, save command, or undo, or redo. Also, if you clicked on the drop down arrow, you will see more commands like new. If you clicked on new, you will see it appear in the fast access toolbar. If you re-clicked on new, it would disappear. Also, if you clicked on more commands, you might be surprised of how many commands and tools you can add. Select the tool, then click on add, or select the tool and click on remove. Under your fast access toolbar, you will find a big box called ribbon, which contains a smaller boxes called groups, like clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, and of course editing group. Every group contains a smaller boxes called commands or tools like format painter, copy, paste, cut, bold, italic. There's much more. We will go through them all throughout the course. Uh, Above the ribbon there is tabs which contain different groups, tools and commands. Like Insert tab. Insert tab would help you to insert media, charts, table, which will help you to make your document look better, more organized, or give a deeper explanation for a certain thing. The next tab is the Design tab. Simply, it gives you a pre-designed styles for your document. Also, you can insert watermarks, page borders, or you can change the color of the background of your Word document. The next tab is the Page Layout tab, which will simply make you control how the document looks like when it's printed. You can control the page orientation, either landscape or portrait, margin, split your document to columns, whatever. The next tab is References tab. Allows you to add annotations to your document like citation, caption, bibliography. It's helpful when you're doing a research paper or any academic work. Next tab is the Mailing tab. It will help you to create labels or envelopes, and it's beneficial when you want to make something like newsletters. The next tab is the Review tab. It's helpful after finishing your document. You want to check for type errors, add comments, checking the word count, simply tracking your document. The final tab is the View tab. The View tab gives you different views for your document, either reading mode or web page layout. You can also see two different parts of the document at the same time. We will do that in the coming tutorials. Also, if you did recognize this toolbar, this search toolbar next to the View tab, you can write any command that you want or you need to do inside it. As you can see, I already searched for some command like changing table, adding footer or header, sharing my document. You might have recognized the share button on the top right side. Here you can save your document to a cloud in order to make more people view it online. like OneDrive Cloud. We will go through this in the next tutorials. We will go now to the bottom left where you can find 4 different boxes. The first box is the page box where you can check how many pages you have used or which page are you in. Next is the word box where you can check your word count. It might be useful in academic papers if you have a word limit. Next is the proofreading, where you can check if you misspelled anything inside your document. We will go to that in details in our course, throughout our course. If you clicked on the next box, which is the language box, you will see a menu of myriads of other languages you can choose from to use in your document. Moving to our last topic today, which is the bottom right bar, which is concerned with how you view your document, just like the View tab. The first way to view your document is in the reading mode. Since we don't have any text, we can't really know the difference. So we'll go out to our print layout view, and then just type a letter many times. Okay, I think that's enough. We will go back to our reading mode. As you can see, whenever I click on the paragraph here, it cannot be edited. I cannot change anything inside it. Although you can search for words or look up for a definition for a certain word inside your document. You cannot edit inside read mode, but if you click on edit document, it will take you back to print layout view, where you can write paragraphs or design your document to be printed out later. Our last view is the web layout view. Of course, you cannot create a website inside Word Office, but you can create a blog article or a text that will be posted later on a certain website using the Office web viewer. I will delete this text so my document looks good. I will go to my print layout, and of course our last topic in this tutorial, the zoom in and zoom out. If you clicked on the number, you will find a zoom in with numbers that you can choose and many other choices. Also, you can use this slider to increase or decrease the zoom in and zoom out, or the signs. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and find it informative. See you next tutorial.